Hi, Amy here, and today I'm going to share some strategies for repurposing and taking audio content and making it text. And there's, a variety of reasons you might want to do this. You might have some MP3 files, some stuff you've done with podcasts or interviews or videos, and you want to get more mileage out of it because some people like to listen, some people like to watch, some people like to read, and you want to be able to take some of that content and make it into text. Maybe you want to make blog posts out of it. Maybe you want to put it in a book. Maybe you just want to have text going along with something that is a video or a video training. So there are a variety of ways and reasons to do this. So the first thing you want to do is you want to grab your audio. And this can be, in most cases, an audio recording or a video recording, because you might have video, and that usually tends to be more what I do, is I'll have some video as opposed to just an audio recording with that. Now, if you're having issues with your audio level, you can try to clean it up a little bit. For example, you can use Audacity, which is a free and very well-known audio program. You can download it free at audioteam.org. So now that you have your audio and video, you want to go ahead and get that transcribed. And one of the things that's really been changing over the last couple of years is that there's been just a lot more options for transcription. And Otter.ai is a great one because you can get up to 10 hours of audio transcribed for free, and they do have a premium account, of course. So like many popular applications, it's freemium, where you can start for free, and then if you want more features or if you want to do more things, you can go ahead and sign up for their free. And I believe they're owned by the same people who do Rev, I think, and that's like the human transcription. So that's another option too. If you want to use something that's human based, you could use something like Rev, where it'll be basically coming out exactly how you want it. With Otter, it is AI. And so once you get the transcription, you're going to want to clean it up a little bit. And they're very, very good, but you will want to go through, if you're using something like Otter AI, and just go through and clean it up a little bit. So let me just show you a quick inside look here at Otter. So here's Otter, and what you can see here is you have options to record right on here, which is great, but most likely you're going to be wanting to import something, and you'll just put it in here, and it'll be an audio or a video file. And then very, very quickly, they'll let you know if it's available. Like here's one where I have transcribed a video. So you can see here, it's kind of blocky, and I would, if I was going to have this for readability, I would take it and break it up. But the actual transcription is very good. And then you have some other options here. You can insert paragraph breaks. So you can edit like right in here, basically, if you want to. And you can then export it and take it out of here and then do with it what you need to, as far as, putting it where you want it to go. And that's what you would do. You would then go ahead and save your file and decide what you want to do with it, whether you're going to save it as a PDF, whether you're going to make a book out of it, whether you're going to put it on your blog. But this is a really handy and easy way to take your audio and video recordings and to get more mileage out of them. So if you'd like more content hacks, I recommend you check out Auto Magic Content. That is a complete training that's focused on content hacks that you can use with the latest technology and get more mileage out of your content.